Hey everybody, this is Chris Link. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a little while since I have uploaded a video. It's been the end of the springtime, kids getting out of school, kids getting out of college for their freshman year. Had to do a really quick cruise to Mexico for my Sweet 16 daughter. So it's been kind of crazy. So I'm going to get back at it. I promise. Going to have some videos coming at you here shortly. But today I'm excited because what happened? My box came in. My box came in. We love our day when our Fabfitfun box comes in. So I thought I would open it up with you today and see what we got. Okay? So let's get right into it. Okay. As we know, and I don't remember what I picked out. So, and I probably won't know some of these names. That's just what happens. But I love the magazine because it tells me what I'm supposed to do with everything that's in it. Of course, another Hello Fresh, all that information that we get. It's a little bit ratted today. Ooh, sorry, that paper's not quite as neat as it used to be. Okay, all right, first thing we got. I hope that's my big towel. Yes, I got this large circular towel, a 59-inch towel. I think it's in a circular pattern, which I was really looking forward to. Got one more trip to the beach next week with some friends, and so I'm excited about having that. I've never had a round towel, so I'm pretty excited about that. Now, what is this? This is some jewelry. Let's take a look at what we got. It says Jennifer Zuner jewelry, I believe. So let's see what's in here. All right, sorry, I probably should have had that open. Oh, it's the heart one. I remember that. The heart, can y'all see that? It's got little hearts on it, a cute little necklace, just a little gold necklace with hearts. That is cute. Okay, here is an exfoliating foot mask. Soothes and softens intense hydration. Okay, I'll check that out. Y'all know that I did a video recently about, I do have a world-renowned, I'm telling you, best foot sandal preparation. I'll link it below or above, wherever I'm supposed to link it, so that y'all can take a look at that. It is perfect for sandal feet, for dry, cracked heels. Heals them, hands down. I have never had a problem, but I may try this in addition to my other, so be sure to check out that other video. Okay, we got a makeup setting spray, and that is from Coola makeup setting spray, and it does have an SPF of 30 with a broad spectrum, so that's it does both of the different times. I'm excited to use this. I did find another couple of products that I used on the cruise that I'm going to be doing a video shortly for you. Y'all, it was two great sunscreen products that I fell in love with, that I got at Sephora, and so I'm going to be doing a video on that shortly. So I'm almost out of the ones that I got because I sprayed them so much and I sprayed them on the girls, I sprayed them on everybody while we were on the cruise. So I'll try this for our trip next week. Okay, Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It's a new mask, so we can try that for brightening. I'm going to read up on it. I hope it does a little bit for hyperpigmentation, because you know I'm still dealing with some hyperpigmentation from that CO2 laser, but also from the sun. I really did try very hard to stay out of the sun on that cruise. I swear I did. Okay, Living Proof. I do like this brand. I'm big into Aveda right now, so I'm using a lot more Aveda than I am anything else. But Living Proof, it X's out the frizz. It's a nourishing styling cream, stops frizz, lightly conditions. I don't know if anybody else has the same issue that I have. I get frizz up underneath there. It drives me crazy. It'll be ringlets up underneath there, but as straight as a board up above me. So I don't know what in the world. So we'll give that a shot. All right. Invisible Bobble. These are these, actually I just had to buy several of those for Liza just yesterday, as a matter of fact. But these are a little bit smaller, so those will be nice for us to use. What is this? Okay. Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Now, y'all, let me tell you about, I don't even remember the name of the other spray. It's going to be in my empties the video that I'm about to do, so you can check out. We are loving the hydration sprays, especially sprayed if they smell like flowers or roses or whatever. Gracie and I both are loving them, and it just gives you overall hydration. It kind of plumps up your makeup a little bit, freshens your makeup, and it makes you feel good in this Mississippi heat that we've got going on right now. So I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be good. And then, oh, did I get a bag? Yes, we got a global gift from Eva Longoria. We got a great, I can use that as a beach bag. It's a summer, it says Summer and Rose tote. I love that. Y'all like that? That's really cute. Okay, that's going to be a great bag. Okay, all right, so we have opened for the day. That is great. What a great box. I love getting these. If y'all aren't into getting the Fabfitfun boxes, they are great. I will link something below on how you can sign up for that. They come once a quarter, and I just kind of happy that you get to get and you open it and you feel like it's Christmas for you every season. So I hope you like it. Y'all stick around or check back. I am going to be doing more videos on my empties. Going to do a little video on my cruise recently. Let you know the good, the bad, the ugly of things that happened on the cruise, which you're going to love that. And my kids are going to be excited about that one too. So I appreciate y'all. If you liked what you see, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe and click the bell below so you'll be notified when I upload more videos. I do try to upload a video once a week on different topics for the mature ladies from 50 and up, which is what I am. So y'all, thanks again for watching. My name again is Chris Link, and I sure appreciate you being here, and stick around because we're just getting started.